My name is Arif Maharali. I am the co-owner of Constructing Spaces here in Calgary. We are a boutique custom home builder and renovator in the Calgary and surrounding areas. My partner is my wife, and she's not here today. Build a home with us. We have a whole team behind you. So initially it starts off with myself and Gina, my wife, talking about your vision and what you're looking for, also budgets and how we can work within that. But as the project starts to evolve, we start introducing our project manager and our site super, and those guys are really the ones that are going to take you through the construction. So all of the messaging communication as the construction is going through is typically from our project manager and our site super. I am always around. I know everything that's going on, so you will see me pop into sites, making sure that everything is in accordance to what we decided at our meetings. And then we also work with 3 or 4 really, really good designers that will also be part of the process. So we match our designers to our clients. We are a boutique firm, which means we only want to concentrate on a certain amount of projects. So we don't want to have too many going and we're not servicing our clients. It is important for us to have a high-touch client approach, which means lots of service, being there when they call, visiting sites regularly. So we can do anywhere between 1 and 5 jobs at a given time. It really depends on the size of the job, but that's kind of what we want to stay within. If we're going a little bit more than that, or we have potential to do more, we just push jobs out and book them throughout the year. Our ideal client is someone who really enjoys a process and a planning to their build. We feel that process and planning is extremely important to ensure that you don't have cost overruns or delays in schedules. A lot of our builds are really tight schedules, but we're able to meet those because we have really good clients that want to work within the process, understand the milestones or the stage gates, and it just creates an amazing experience for both sides. Our core value and culture in our business is the client experience. So what we mean by that is, outside of quality and all of those things, which we do really good work, there's an art to working with a client and hearing them, understanding them, and seeing their vision throughout the project. We have a really good team that puts in special checks and balances to ensure that the client is constantly engaged, they're part of the process, they're making decisions, and because we're custom, a little bit of them in their build or a lot of them in their build. We put a lot of time into social media. More importantly, we want a consistent message across all our social media mediums. So Instagram's a really good way to get a feel for who we are on a daily basis. We're posting daily, and on there you're going to see our trades, you're going to see our work at our different jobs, and you're going to get a feel for who we are. We do a lot of educating, we speak on panels, you're going to see our quality, and that's a baseline, but then you're going to get a little bit more. You're going to see how we communicate, you're going to see how well we work together. You're going to see our clients and the happiness they're experiencing throughout their projects.
While we're in the kitchen, why don't you, I think I'm just going to walk.
Start cooking?
Yeah.
You want an egg, man?